Here we are in Lynnwood, Washington. It's Jay with Chinook Services. We're making this building look brand new for the spring and summer here. We do a lot of properties in Lynnwood, Seattle, Everett, Bellevue. We're gonna clean all this green algae buildup and get all off this building. See this building from I-5, there's Jim spraying our cleaning solution on it. Getting ready to let that solution work and rinse it right off. Show some after photos and videos. Once again, Jay with Chinook Services, our phone number there and website there. Give us a call if you have a commercial property. We do storefront cleaning. We do large properties, Walmarts, Red Myers, whatever you got. Small jobs, big jobs. You even have like a small little one store strip mall style building. We'll do that.